Tesla on the monthly. So Tesla this last month really held within our previous monthly range, not able to break outside of that. So what I'm going to be watching heading into July is to see if we can hold 300 if we continue to push back down. If we can hold 300, we can set up for a bounce to go higher. If we lose 300, we have our lower trend line about 234 to be mindful of. But for right now, we are just holding inside the previous candle. So let's hope that we can get a monthly breakout either to the downside down here, or if we can clear our previous month's candle. Looking at the weekly chart, last week we got a push, we just could not hold it. So looking at this coming week, I'm looking at this 342 area to see if we can get up above 342 and then potentially head on up and test 350 and our double top at 355. If we can hold above 355, we can get some continuation on up. Heading to the downside, our trend line down here sits at about 305. So that 305 to 300 is going to be a range that I'm going to be watching to see if we can potentially bounce and head back up. Looking on the daily, we now have a couple different touches. We've got 3 touches, which is my preference on this trend line. And it's showing that this first test, we just tumbled pretty significantly. We just tested it again, and what happened? We tested it the following week and then tumbled again. So we have a couple tumbles off this trend line now. So we really need to see a hold above 354 to see continuation higher. When we are looking at the range, if you look left, this is that same area that we have just been stuck in. 324 is a big area we need to hold above in order to push higher. But even if we hold above 324, we still have to come in through here and break this 333 area as well. And then if we look a little bit more left, this is what happened. We broke into this range. So this is a struggle for us to clear. Really, we need to get above that 354 and hold to see some continuation on up.